Today I am going to tell you about overall feedback of 4-week online FDP. The title of the FDP was Tools for Online Teaching and Learning Process. In week 1, we have learnt about effective teaching practices. So the knowledge I have gained from this week, so the points which I have been taught in this FDP were Bloom's taxonomy, active and passive learning, learning styles and strategies, effective teaching practices, modern pedagogical tools, creation of visual presentation. So many things I've learned from this FDP, but now the question arises that how I will utilize this knowledge gained in this FDP. So I will utilize this knowledge by using certain methods. So what I will do, I will adopt new styles for teaching and learning. So whatever were the earlier styles, that I will remove. Implement teaching learning practices. Effective use of reflection spot, which is very necessary for the students study. Make use of resources for online teaching learning practices. I will plan the activity with learning management systems. I will make use of digital student response systems. During this FDP, we learned about the task 1. So the task which was given in week 1, that was about creation of the PowerPoint presentation, and I have selected the topic from my syllabus, and after that I have prepared the PowerPoint presentation in task 1. In week 2, there was creation of online resources. So from this week 2, I have gained about creation of video using PowerPoint, creation of video using Screencast-O-Matic, which is very helpful, creation of video using VideoScribe, creation of animated video, so that is again beneficial for the students. They are becoming more interested after watching this animated video. Creation of WordPress website. So this was again the most wonderful experience of creation of WordPress website. In task 2, whatever presentation we have prepared earlier, so the same presentation you can continue, or you can prepare the another presentation, and after that presentation was sent for Screencast-O-Matic. After Screencast-O-Matic, that presentation was uploaded on YouTube. So the video is now available on YouTube, and that is again the biggest achievement, that our video is available on YouTube, and that task I like very much. In week 3, we learned about Moodle as a learning management system. So about this, I've gained from this week that creation of Gnomio Moodle course, creation of Google Forms, creation of online quiz using Google Form, creation of certificate for online exam, creation of Google Classroom. In task 3, I have prepared a Google Classroom. I have given the task for civil first year and mechanical first year students, and in that I have given certain activities to the students. Some students were added over there, and these activities were being enjoyed by the students very happily. They are very happy by having the Google Classroom, and it is one of the most important tool for online teaching process. In week 4, I learned about digital and advanced pedagogy. So in this week 4, I have gained from certain things from this week. So I learned about some of the free software tools, which was again very helpful, and it will be helpful for our future life also. We can share those things with our students also. Effective e-content creation. Then the most important tool, Mentimeter, Flickr, Kahoot, Testmos, Webinar, and MyQuiz. So all these things were very helpful, and week 4 was really very enjoyable, as well as it was very knowledgeable one. So the task given in week 4 was about the tools, that is TestMoz and Mentimeter. So in this week I have used Mentimeter for having the feedback of the students about their diploma education, that what they want to do and what are the recent online activities being conducted. So about that the feedback was given on Mentimeter, and TestMoz was used to create a test. And in TestMoz I can create the questions such as objective type questions, true or false questions, match the pairs, fill in the blanks. So all such type of questions were added in TestMoz and Mentimeter. So in this way, thank you everyone for watching this video silently. Thank you.